Hello guys, welcome to in this video. In this video I am sharing about what is your YouTube visibilities. YouTube visibilities refer who can see your videos and how easily your content is discovered on YouTube. It determines where your video is public, private or unlisted and affect how it appears in search result. Recommendations are on your channels. Types of your visibilities. First of all, public. Everyone on YouTube can see your videos. Appearance in search result, suggestion, videos and on your channels. Best for reaching a wide audience. Public is very important. First of all, you publish all the videos. Privates and second is private. Private only videos. Only you can select people you invite can watch the videos. Unlisted only people with the video link you can view it. And schedules unlisted only people with the videos link you can see view it. Unlisted only people with the videos link can view it. Does not appears in such a result on your channel. Public controls who can see access your content. Scheduling on YouTube. Scheduling list. You can set specific date and times for your videos to go public automatically. Wait, what is useful? Consistently upload videos at the best time for your audience without being online. Planning help you manage multiple videos in advance. Audience growth posting at consistent times can increase engagement. How can upload your videos? Set a date and time you want to publish. And draft on YouTube. Draft videos you can upload but have not published yet. Let's say in YouTube, so you can edit the title, description, title, and thumbnails. Make change to the videos before it goes live. Keep the videos private until it's ready. Draft are not visible to anyone except you. They are planned in advance or making an edit. First of all, public. There are many benefits on the public videos. Everyone on the YouTube can see your videos. Appearance in search result, suggestion videos on your channels. Best for reaching a wide audience to watch these public videos. And second, privates. There are many benefits in the privates. For security reasons, only you can add selected people